Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beet juice taste good. We'll transform that earthy flavor into something truly delicious and refreshing. You don't need fancy equipment or obscure ingredients. Just a few simple additions can make all the difference. Get ready to enjoy the amazing health benefits of beet juice without the struggle. Let's dive right in. The secret to delicious beet juice lies in balancing its natural earthiness. Apples are your best friend here, adding a lovely sweetness that complements the beets perfectly. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice introduces a zesty tang, brightening the entire flavor profile. And for an extra layer of warmth and a subtle kick, a small piece of ginger works wonders. These three ingredients are game changers.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a game changer for your ride. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Preparing your ingredients is straightforward. First, thoroughly wash and peel your beets, apples, and ginger. Then, cut everything into pieces small enough to fit comfortably into your juicer's chute. When juicing, try to alternate between harder items like beets and softer ones like apples. This helps your juicer work more efficiently and ensures you get every last drop of delicious juice. The beauty of this method is its flexibility. Feel free to adjust the ratios to suit your personal taste. If you prefer a sweeter juice, add more apple. For a bolder, tangier kick, increase the lemon or ginger. You can even experiment with a small carrot for an additional layer of sweetness and a beautiful color. Don't be afraid to make it your own perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.